Alright guys, so today we're going to pick up a package that has arrived from the United States. Been waiting for this package now for about 2 weeks. Here in the Philippines, the mail system here is kind of funny. I'll explain to you how it actually works up here in Angeles City. It might work different in other places, but here, first of all, you don't get junk mail. If you're not familiar with junk mail, it's just junk mail. It's people sending advertisements to you. Junk mail comes from different places, different people, different stores. They send it to you in the mail. Here, like, we don't have a mailbox, so when the mail comes, like when our electric bill comes, somebody actually from the electric company just hands the day guard here a stack of the electric bills. There's no envelopes or anything like that, and then he'll go around and he'll distribute the electric bills to all the different apartments here. Same way with the cable bill. They just come in a big, you know, bulk package, and then he distributes them here. Now when I get mail from the United States, if it's mailed directly to me and it's not certified, they just deliver it. Usually takes anywhere from 10 to 12 days for just a regular mail to arrive to me. Here in the Philippines, anything certified, what they do is they give you a slip of paper like this. You know, it has your name on it, the name of the person that it's to, where to claim it at, and you go up to the post office here and give them your ID. And the funny part is you actually got to pay to pick up your own mail. But anyways, like I said, I've been waiting for this package now for about 2 weeks to come, and it actually has come. Got the slip right here, and we're going to head up to the post office up here in Angeles City and pick up the package. I'll see if I can do some filming in there to see, just to show you guys, you know, what a Philippine post office looks like. I'll film the outside so you can check it out. But anyways, guys, we're heading up, and we're going to pick up the package that I've been waiting for. Alright guys, yeah, before I leave, I wanted to read this to you from the form that they sent out. It says, an unclaimed registered mail or parcel will be returned to the sender or disposed of in accordance with postal regulation after 30 days, counting from the date of the issue of this notice. A parcel may be retained beyond 30 days upon request provided, and storage fee is deposited before the 30-day period expires. So when you get a certified postal envelope, or not envelope, notice in the mail, you got 30 days to pick it up, or they'll dispose of it. Guarantee they won't pay to have it shipped back to the United States. So keep that in mind. Don't sit on it, because in 30 days you won't get it. Alright guys, so here is the post office. This building right here. And there it is, PhilPost. Postal Corporation, Angeles City. But yeah, this is it right here. It's Tom MacArthur. Little pan around here. And there it is, the post office. So let's head in there and let's pick up our package here.
Tarlac ya, Jam?
Tarlac ya? Ito, tarlac yan. Bili ako kanina.
Paling nga to.
112 pesos for the package. 100. You got 12? Hang on. Thank you. Alright guys, so yeah, we just picked up the packages you guys seen and had a sign for it, and no problem. Plus 112 pesos, roughly $2 and maybe 10 cents, something like that, to pick up a post or to pick up the package that was sent. So yeah, like I said, you got to pay for your packages here when they send it. I think it's based on weight, but anyways, let's head home and I'll show you guys what I've been waiting for. Alright guys, so here it is. Here's the package we've been waiting for. $13.25 to send it. You can see what I've been waiting for. It's not very big, but it's in here. I'll tell you what, about a month or two ago, I had a craving for this, and it's been stuck in my head now, and I searched all over. Went to SM Mall, went to the Hypermart, so that narrows it down. Hypermart, and checked out in Hypermart, couldn't find it there. Went over to Marquee Mall, went to the grocery store there, couldn't find it. Let's see, where else did I go? S&R. S&R, it's a big store here, have a lot of foreign products, a lot of American products and everything like that. And I thought for sure if I was going to find it, it was going to be there at S&R. And no luck, man. I checked everywhere. I even had friends looking for it, but couldn't find it, nowhere. So my mom, thank you Mom, I told her, and she shipped it. And you know, it doesn't take a lot to make me happy, but like I said, I've had this stuck in my head and I've been wanting it now, and only place and the only people and only place that I could get it was sent from the United States. So without further ado, let's open up the package and see what I've been waiting for. Get out a scissor. Try to open this one. There we go. Careful I don't cut anything else. Oop. She sent Luis's birthday card, so Luis's birthday card came in this package. There you go, look, here's your birthday card. And got glitter all over it, so now I got glitter all over my thumb. Without further ado, the moment you guys have all been waiting for, the moment I've been waiting for, there it is, guys. Let me see if I can focus this. Boink. York peppermint patties. I've been waiting and I've been craving a York peppermint patty, like I said, for about a month to a month and a half, and don't have them here, can't find them here. So I asked my mom, and she sent me a couple of the York peppermint patties, and they are in Christmas colors, green and red. Guys, if you ever want to send me anything, York peppermint patties. So I know it doesn't take much to amuse me, but I am very grateful and I'm very thankful to my mom for sending me York peppermint patties. So now it's time to enjoy a York peppermint patties. It's not a Hershey products. You can find plenty of Hershey products here. Over at SNR, they got a big aisle of them. But you cannot find the York peppermint patty. And a little on the smash side. I'll have to put them in the refrigerator. But you know what? Smashed York peppermint patty is better than no peppermint patty. And of course they're a little on the warm side because it is the Philippines and it did go through the mail, but mint and chocolate. Can't beat it.